Now they know who you are. Now they know who you are. You see, they thought that they were better than you, felt that they were more superior than you for whatever reason. Now they're learning that it does not matter about someone's background, their job, their role, their age. All that matters is somebody's morals and essence and how they are able to affect the masses positively. You have triggered this individual's healing without realizing. They judged you. They looked down upon you. They didn't think much of you. Now they are forced to heal. They thought that they could outsmart you. They thought that they could lead you towards your demise. Now they are feeling at a loss. They are depressed. They are overwhelmed, engulfed with emotions that they tried to inflict upon you. They wanted to push you out in the cold. They wanted you to be ostracized, not knowing that you actually thrive in hermitude. You actually thrive in isolation. They cannot cope with this isolation. They try to barricade you away from others, wanted people to look down upon you. But they didn't know that they were dealing with a sage. Those same people that they tried to isolate you from are energetic matches to you. Now these same people want no parts with this individual. This person is shocked. This was not part of the plan. They feel restricted, lacking growth, unable to move forward. They wanted you to be licking your wounds. They wanted you to feel bad about yourself. They wanted to steal your joy, your peace, your blessings. But Spirit keeps blessing you abundantly. They wanted people to leave your life. They tried to smear campaign you, tried to spiritually bully you. These things that they tried to do to you are returning to them. Fixated on your beauty, your wisdom, subtly trying to downgrade you because of your background, wanting everyone else to be as prejudiced as they are, realizing that people do not think like them, and learning that you're not going anywhere. And if you do choose to leave, it's on your own terms. People love you. People like you. This individual has to manipulate to be liked. They are in confusion about you and your energy. They thought they had you all worked out. Now they're all up in their head, struggling to overcome the mental anguish that is you. Every time they try and come up against you, you always shock them. They've never encountered a bright spark like you before. Maybe in the past they were able to run people out or bully them or make them feel insecure, whatever the case is. But you keep reinventing yourself. They find your energy too powerful. They fear you. You've got them up in their head. They wanted you to be in mental anguish. They wanted you to be insecure about the people you were around, about the people that they wanted for themselves in some cases. For some of you, this person was trying to compete with you in regards to popularity. I know, ridiculous, right? Some people are literally still stuck in high school mode. For others of you, this person was trying to compete with you in regards to love, in regards to who is the best mother if you have children, in regards to who your mother loves more. This could be a competitive sibling, unfortunately, for some of you. Regardless of the case, they know who you are, because the jail that they plan for you is the one that they're rotting in, because they're realizing that you did not succumb to their games. Everything's backfiring. You're focused on you. You've built up your own community. You're shining and you're glowing. You have a lot of popularity. Whether that means in your friendship groups that they are jealous of, that they try to block from you. Maybe this person thought you were taking away their friends. Maybe this person at a time felt like they were the star of the show until you came around and highlighted that they weren't. Because their way of being is underhanded. They want everyone to follow them. They want to be praised for their mediocrity. You're just standing in your power, not harming anyone, focusing on yourself, and you attract attention like a moth to a flame. And they don't want to see it. All their plans of trying to isolate you are now backfiring. You are a reflection of who they are not, and they cannot cope. They try to be a third party in your situation. They try to make others remove themselves from you because of your difference, when in actual fact, people are drawn to you because of your difference. You stand out. You are eccentric. You are original. You are quirky. You are exciting. People love this about you. Everything this person thought would be a minus to you, people want to add to your energy. Some people want to add to your energy a bit too much, because some people become very addicted to your energy. For some of you, this individual was jealous of all the attention that you got, and they are your friend. So they try to downplay you and make you feel like you're too loud, what you're doing is weird, or, people are not going to like that, or they always criticized you. They try to make you fall in line. Whose line? Their line? And then when they saw that other people enjoyed you, enjoyed your company, they could not cope. They cannot cope. When they realized that they couldn't push you out of certain environments and that you are independent and confident, they thought, what have I come up against? Who is this being? Who is this otherworldly being? Because you're built different. You saw the play, you knew what they were trying to do, and you switched your energy and focused on what is important, your growth, your network system. Some of you are very popular on social media, you're very popular within your friendship group, your groups, clubs, organizations that you belong to. You are the star of the show. So regardless of what this person tried to do, it doesn't work, and it will not work. This person is going to witness you being extremely successful. You're going to hit those milestones that they tried to block and stop from you, because they did. They're going to witness you being celebrated.